You have visitors, isn't it? Yeah. With me here, can you identify the person I'm standing with here? Yeah. You know him? Yeah. No, you don't know him. Can you suddenly tell me, who is he? Wangapi washamuona? Weka mikono chini. Wangapi washasikia akiongea? Wangapi? Wangapi wajasikia akiongea? Wacha waongee na sisi sasa. Wale wajasikia. Good morning. Happy New Year. How are the holidays? Are you happy to be in Nyamashaki? How many of us are in grade 1? Grade 1 only. How many? This was, has grade 1 reported? Not yet. Or will be reporting tomorrow. Okay. My name is Duncan Maina Madenge, the Member of Parliament, Nyeri Town Constituency. I became Member of Parliament because your parents voted for me. And because my names are very long, you young people call me DMN. You call me which name? DMN. I am grateful today to visit Nyamashaki Primary School and Nyamashaki JSS. And today, because when I was here last year, I realized that we had a lot of congestion in our classes. I went and spoke to President of Kenya. Do you know the President of Kenya? What is his name? So when President William Samoei Ruto was visiting Nyeri National Polytechnic, I told him that we have a shortage of classes at Nyamashaki, and he agreed to give us 10 million shillings to improve the classes that are available in Nyamashaki. And today, because the school does not have a lot of space, we had to only utilize the space that is available going up. And we have constructed pillars across the school to help us support a second floor in the old building. Today I have come to hand over the 4 classes that are already complete, so that we can begin to use them as we continue looking for money to finish the other 4 in the other segment. Are you happy? Does your school look beautiful? And alongside this project of the old complex, which we are funding using the President's personal donation, the CDF men, beginning next week, will come and also begin adapting this old building so that we will have 1 class and the JSS laboratory on the first floor. By April this year, that will also be complete from CDF. I also want to appreciate our principal, our chief principal, and the chairman of our board. Because when they saw the beauty that has come out of the President's project, mnakumbuka our vision block ilikuwa inakaa aje? Sasa mmekuja mmeiona, imetengenezwa, ni mzuri, mmefurahia. Hebu tupigie principal na chairman wa board na wazazi wetu makofi. And I am so proud that for the first time, Nyamachaki Primary and Nyamachaki JSS can compete in terms of the infrastructure development with even the private academies in Nyeri. Na kwa hivyo leo I have come to encourage you that now the only other thing remaining ni kwamba mtihani ya grade 6 hii mwaka, the national assessment, na mtihani ya grade 9 at the end of the year, we promise that Nyamachaki will be the best school in Nyeri Town constituency, in Nyeri County. And I promise to continue supporting this school in all ways. I want also to thank you, the Teacher Service Commission, for the number of teachers that we have and the few that are not already employed by the Teacher Service Commission. I am going to ensure that they have been confirmed under permanent and pensionable terms. And because of the increased numbers with the new classes, the increased number of teachers that we need, I will work with the Teacher Service Commission to ensure ya kwamba tuna walimu wa kutosha. Mnapenda maziwa? Mnapenda maziwa? Sasa niwaelezee pia. Serikali ya President William Ruto pia imehakikisha ya kwamba kampuni yetu ya wakulima wa maziwa inaitwa KCC. Sema KCC. Na tuko na plan ya KCC pale Kiganjo ya kwamba inalipa wazazi wetu pesa ya maziwa kila mwisho wa mwezi bila kuchelewa. Na kwa sababu hii pia nataka kuchangia kuhakikisha ya kwamba KCC inafanya vizuri. Leo kila mwanafunzi katika hii shule, the 2,100 of us, kila mmoja atapata packet ya maziwa ya KCC. Kwa hivyo pia nataka niwashukuru chairman wa KCC anatoka hapa kwetu Nyeri, na pia factory yetu ya KCC pale Kiganjo kwa kukubalia kutuletea maziwa hapa. Na hapa Nyeri nataka pia tufikirie kuleta kampuni ya kutengeneza mkate, kwa sababu tulijaribu kutafuta keki ya kuwapatia tukakosa kampuni hapa Nyeri. Ikabidi tuende kampuni itaitwa Broadway School Thika. Pia Broadway wamehakikisha ya kwamba kila mmoja mtoto atapata cake moja kutoka kwa Broadway. Nimefurahia. Tumeanza mwaka